Let's move on to a quick breaking update. We'll be putting up those pictures there on your screens. Even as the COVID-19 cases continue to surge across the country, the three naval hospitals under the Western Naval Command, that is the INHS Jivanti Goa, INHS Patanjali and Karwar, and INSS Samdhani Mumbai, have now been kept ready for use by the civil administration. Going across to Shivani now for a quick update, because Shivani, as we've been talking about, where the Navy has been kept on standby, and this is now even of our armed forces keeping the necessary requirements to actually cover up with the rising COVID-19 cases that are now being reported. We are looking at a Western Naval Command that has now been kept on standby.
Amita, the Western Naval Command has not only made three hospitals ready in different regions, be it in Goa or in Karwar and Mumbai. It is doing a lot of other things also, apart from these oxygen bed hospitals that have been made ready for the civil administrations to use as the surge is spiking. In Mumbai also, a lot of facilities have been set up for the laborers, especially the migrant laborers who work inside the naval premises, so that they don't have to move. As we see, the lockdown has been imposed and the COVID is actually spiking each day, spiraling each day. So all these naval authorities, they are working on all the fronts. They are setting up hospitals and they are turning ships into the Oxygen Express. They are carrying oxygen. They are on a standby. And we also have a hospital in Mumbai, which is run by the Indian Navy, the INS Ashwini, which is also catering to all the needs of the serving personnel. And the Navy is also going all out to the civil administration at various places, be it in Goa, Karwar, Mumbai. And from Lakshadweep side also, we have also already seen how Navy has been extending help in the transportation of oxygen cylinders. So on all the fronts, be it the Air Force, be it the Army or the Navy, all the defense forces are working in close collaboration to do whatever can be done to ramp up the COVID resources to help and contribute to the civil population all over the country. Right. And this is Navy, which has been battling the COVID surge with all these three hospitals that have been set up.